Prime Minister, your efficiency is over. This is the matter of the brain. Brain is in the officer. They must overclick and report it. The machine to carry on.
Good hit! Good hit! Good hit! Good hit!
Get up on a break! Good! Out!
Deputy Regional Minister, Water Region, representing the Regional Minister, Honorable Secretary Amabu, District Chief Executive, Amaka, Honorable Gordon, Eduji, Efa, District Chief Executive, Gida. Deputy Regional Minister, Water Region, representing the Regional Minister, Honorable Secretary Amabu, District Chief Executive, Amaka, Honorable Gordon, Eduji, Efa, District Chief Executive, Gida.
337 female, out of which 1,477 are boys and 1,011 as day students. Torgbui Chairman, currently the school has 124 permanent teaching staff and 57 non-teaching staff. Also, we have 2 temporary teachers who are from the Nation Builders Corps and 2 national service persons, making the total of 185 teaching and non-teaching staff. Academic programs. Torgbui Chairman, Anglo Senior High School currently runs the following programs: Social Sciences.
Mistress also here. Mr. E.K.Y. Panu Papa Yesu was our former PE master and also former PTA chairman. We have another former assistant headmaster and then a former headmaster of Torgbui Senior High School, Mr. Vincent K.I.T. Mr. Innocent Agas is the headmaster of Zion College. We have Madam Grace Alazuka, the first senior among them is Mr. Emmanuel Koshi Ketem. He happens to be the retired regional director of education. So let's do it better. We also have his immediate successor, Mr. W.I.K. Asuma, former headmaster. Let's give it up to them. Ladies and gentlemen, on this note, we would like to move on with the program. We'll take a goodwill message from the regional.
I also commend you for your effective teamwork and collaboration, which will make you achieve more. Other areas that we could emphasize in the rebranding process should include putting in place structures that will attract more tutors, investing in modern state-of-the-art teaching equipment and infrastructure for the development of information communication technology. I also wish to encourage Anseco to consider strengthening the study of French. In today's world of work, most jobs require the study of French and other international languages. In order to enhance the employability of Anseco graduates, French could be made one of the attractive subjects of study in the rebranding process.